we're off to go fishing in Peterborough, right?
Wow. Where are we going right now?
We're going to Fall Weston.
Fall Weston?
Yeah.
Eat some food before we go.
Some nice soupy pho.
That's some good Weston. We're traveling on Weston Road. Road man thing. Oh, what a morning.
Yeah.
I had a good morning actually. Yeah.
Even though you didn't get enough sleep.
Yeah. As long as I have coffee, I'll be fine.
Okay.
I just need more and more coffee. More and 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 more coffee.
That's good because we have more and 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 more coffee here.
That's what we need, baby. I recorded yesterday at 2.7K, not 4K. Yeah. It overheated in like 30 minutes.
Oh my god, that's not good. That's like
I think they all overheat. GoPro, what are you guys doing, man? How are you gonna just let your camera overheat like that? And sell it to me for 600 bucks. You just stole my money.
But you bought it.
I bought it and I gave you all my money. Now I'm broke and I have to record videos for a living.
To make it up.
To make it up, yeah. Maybe you guys owe me a sponsor.
Are you guys hungry?
I am starving.
Yeah?
Yeah. Today we're driving Brian's brand new BMW 2020 M4 with the new grill. Check it out.
I hate the new grill.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna return it.
He's gonna have to return this car. It's just not good enough for him.
The grill sucks. I got a lot of people laugh at my grill.
Okay. I guess we'll see you there. So where are we?
We're at Brian's right now. He's gonna go inside to grab some propane. After we're gonna go eat some pho Weston. After we're gonna go pick up some ram sticks for my computer.
No, pick up bait too.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go pick up some bait after
Just
class,
quickly.
Quickly run in for some some of that walleye bait that I picked up last time. It was pretty good.
Yeah.
That's what we used last time to catch the bass. This time we're hoping to catch a walleye. Hopefully we're gonna have a much better time.
Yeah.
And let's do something.
So we have propane because we are going to barbecue some fish if we catch it.
It looks so dark.
Oh.
Why does it look so dark?
Because I'm in the dark. Okay, so we picked up propane for the barbecue. That's if we catch some fish, so we're just bringing that in case. And now we are going to eat some pho. Pho show.
What are you, racist?
We're having some pho and some bun sao. How's the food?
Good.
Good.
Oh, that was so good.
I like the bun sao a lot.
Ryan showed us this place. It's called Pho Weston. Probably one of the best pho soups that I had in a while. Bun sao is really nice and crispy, good flavor. Nice place.
Okay guys, so we just left Bass Pro and we picked up a few baits, right?
Yep.
And we're off to Rice Lake.
Right now we're drinking so much coffee, if I don't get a heart attack by the end of the day, I don't think we're successful either. Right now we're on our way to go grab some ram. We're headed to Oshawa, my favorite place in Toronto. Can't wait to get there and see all the scenery. We're gonna get a new 64 gigabytes DDR4 RAM for my PC build for video editing. That'll help us watch 4K videos, render everything quicker. Brian, are you excited to go to Oshawa?
Yeah. Oshawa is one of the scenic drive.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's one of the best spots for rams in Toronto. Are you excited to go to Oshawa, Melanie?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
What do you want to do in Oshawa?
Whatever we can do.
There's a lot to do in Oshawa. What do you mean?
Is there?
Yeah. I think you could. So we're in Oshawa now. It's beautiful here. What do you think? Wow.
So beautiful.
Wow. You just go up a bit, it's gonna be on the left. Wow, look at this place.
300 meters, the destination is on your left.
We're on the right road. Looks like the RAM that we picked up is for a laptop, not a desktop. So it looks like we're back on the search for the perfect piece of ram. Anyways, we get to see this beautiful town of Oshawa. Look at this. That's pretty cool. I mean, there's some fresh cut fries here. I don't know if you want to stop by and grab some fries.
Are you hungry? You want fries?
Maybe not. Nah, let's go. We don't want it. So, yeah, looks like that was a waste of time. If I came here just for that, I would have been pissed off. But like, luckily it was on the way, because like, if I came here and drove an hour just for that, I would have fucking been so pissed.
How much longer?
40 minutes.
What are you?
Just hello. Just gonna drink some coffee. I need some more coffee in my system. I've had about 7 cups of coffee so far.
Oh my god.
This was filled with 5 cups. So I think I had 6 cups. Maybe like, I was gonna have 6 cups of coffee today.
Oh.
Slept for about 3 hours. We're good. We're good.
It's a nice day. Who do you think you are?
Iron Man. I don't need sleep. I just need wake. I don't need dreams. I just need fish. I don't need rice. I just need rice lake.
I wonder why they come up with that name, Rice Lake.
It's probably because that's where they put all the Asian farmers back in the day.
Maybe.
That's where they farmed all the rice after they built the railway.
Yeah.
What are you watching?
Rice Lake.
Yeah, fishing.
Wow, that's nice.
Damn, that's a big ass bass.
For a little swim bait.
The views out here are spectacular. Look at the fall trees. Brian, I think this video is gonna be a lot better than the last video. What do you think?
For sure, yeah. Upgrade camera, take price of the linkage.
Yes, sure.
Okay, so we stopped by McDonald's and we yeah, we grabbed some food because Vaughn was very hungry.
Starving. So good.
You ate a burger?
I did.
How was it?
I don't even remember. I ate it so fast.
Everything is so hot and fresh.
Yeah.
It's good. And the fries are really good too. Right, Fob?
Take exit 472 to William Street and County Road 18 towards Cove.
Okay, I'm good, babe. No more.
Damn, it is just gorgeous out here. Hopefully you guys can see all the colors on the leaves. All this corn on the side. I call this welcome to Canada. We have some of this on the car as well. What is that, Brian?
It's lavender, dry lavender.
Dried lavender.
It used to be fresh, but it's dried now.
It's fresh. Beautiful. Where do you get these colors?
Only in Canada.
Only in Canada. Wow. Finally got here. It's kind of chilly. Glad we brought the jacket now, because if we didn't have the jacket, I'd be freezing. Check out the view over here. Ready to catch a fish. Let's go. All right, here, hold this. Let's go. So, do you know where we're going? Wow, the view is spectacular. If I keep walking backwards, I might bump into a car. So we're on our way to the fishing spot, hoping to catch a fish. I got Melanie here with the fishing rod and the net. What are you gonna do with that, Melanie?
I'm gonna catch some fish.
What are you gonna catch?
Probably a bass today.
Are you gonna catch a bass?
Yeah.
Are you gonna catch a super bass? Melanie, last time she thought a bass was a bass and a bass was a walleye.
I just got really confused last time.
Just a little?
I was like, calling every different type of name.
She's like, was it a salmon, a walleye, or a bass? It's none of those, Mel.
No, it's a bass.
It's none of them.
I know.
Beautiful. Scenic walk with two good people and myself. Well, it's chilly.
It's like winter.
This is when everyone's leaving because there's no fish. So we made it to the spot. Looks like to drop our stuff.
Oh wow, look at that house on the island. Damn. I wanna live there.
Alright, let's set up the rods. And hopefully we'll catch something in this water.
Okay, so let's get set up.
I am freezing.
Yeah, put your hood on. Brian, you cold?
I'll get warm later.
Later.
When I get a fish.
Catch a fish. If we catch a fish. Right? If you catch a fish, our whole day will be made. All that Big Mac that we ate. Come to
Worth
good
it.
use. Untangling the rod right now.
Untangling the rod.
There we go.
What's wrong? What are you doing, Brian?
I'm put on the weights and the hook.
What about you, Fong?
I have the hook attached. Gonna pop on the weight. I don't know how to attach it like Brian attaches it though. He does it really nice.
I'll show you.
What is that?
These are weights.
A new pack of fishing weights.
Okay. So we're gonna use this green thing and then hook it on here.
Yeah, it looks like it might fall off if you cast it.
There you go. Can I get the scissor, please, Brian?
Yep.
You want me to wait for you to cast a line?
No, you can go first.
The proper one?
Proper way.
Hopefully this works.
Okay, so you're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so Fong will cast his first. Brian's taking his time. Okay, standing right up to the line. He's getting it ready. Getting it ready. Oh, you already put it in? He just dropped it in there. Okay, so his weight is not heavy enough, so he's gonna change it out, right?
No, I'm gonna double it up.
Oh, he's gonna double it up. It's actually really chilly today and I have my hood on, both my hoods on, jacket out. Yeah, and now I'm feeling good. Feeling warm and toasty. There it goes. Feel like it's too light, you said?
Still too light. Why is my rope so tangled? I think I did a nice twisty. You see how it's working?
Mm-hmm.
I think I need one more weight. But
Okay, Brian's ready now to cast his line. Woo!
nice. Nice shot. Did you get that?
Yeah, I think so.
It's embarrassing.
Whoa. Okay, you gotta fix that. And then Fong is gonna put even more weight. Okay, Brian's ready. Okay, go. Okay, this is take 2. Ready, Fong? Ready.
Is the weight okay now?
Yeah. I think I might have crossed your line.
Guys, look this way. Smile. Okay.
Now I'll catch some.
Wow, what is that? Amazing, Brian.
Huh?
This is our new cooler. And it's actually pretty heavy. It has a strap and you just carry it. We should have brought chairs like them. That would have been comfortable. So apparently the reason why Fong's bait keeps twisting is because of the way he tied it.
No, I think it's because of the triple weight thing I have here going on.
Yeah.
And
You want me to help you tie it?
Maybe.
Yeah. Come.
there's a boat. But if you guys can see on that island over there, there is actually a house right there, the white thing.
Drop it up.
Okay, so Brian's helping Fong with his knot.
So what are you doing there?
So that's what it looked like.
Yeah.
I am helping Brian hold on to his fishing rod.
Sorry?
I'm helping Brian hold on to his fishing rod
Why?
because he's helping fix yours.
Oh. So when you know, how do you know when a fish bites, Melanie?
Oh, you feel it.
You do?
Yeah, you feel it in the rod.
What do you feel?
Feel a nibble.
Feel the love?
Feeling, yeah.
All right, Brian. Let's see this. What's the method?
You do the it's called a uni roll.
Sorry?
Uni tie.
Uni tie?
Yeah.
I like the way, I like that weight. It's huge.
Yeah. It sinks to the bottom.
It's gonna make it fly. Something's going on over there. What's going on over there? Big
Right.
barbecue. So let's see.
So you do the hook, the hole, and then now you have to loop like this 5 times. 1,
So that keeps the line straight, right?
yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There you go. See how straight that is?
Nice.
Then you just push it down.
Nice.
Just cut this off. Cut the remaining line off.
Wow. Beautiful. Thanks. All right, Brian's gonna throw the rod out. Melanie, you look very focused.
Yeah. Very focused.
Let's see that. Wow.
Why didn't you get like a big one coming?
Yeah, imagine. Jump in the fucking water with the GoPro. Film it.
So,
Caught a shark.
so Fong is helping me bring the shark up.
Rock? Is it a rock shark? Rock shark?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry, Brian.
Oh, I think we caught something, no?
You okay?
Yeah.
It's not releasing now. Luckily we bought the McDonald's before we left, huh?
Yeah?
Looks like we're not eating today.
I'm gonna start today.
You're gonna try this one?
The wham.
Oh, the new one.
The wham.
Cool.
It's a nice bait, ain't it? See, if we get snagged, I don't know if this. Okay, whatever. Let's try it. Let's talk more fishing.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Do you need help, Brian?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Almost got snared.
He's dying. All right.
Brian, you should try moving down there. Fong's over there. Oh shit.
What's up? How's everyone
Hey.
doing? We're cold out here. Freezing. Can't catch a thing.
It's okay, we still have time. Fong's just making his bait swim now. What?
I'm trying to catch a fucking bear.
Trying to catch a bear? My hands are freezing. Need to bring gloves for fishing next time. It's nice to sit up here and just chill. Just sit.
Alright. Well, it looks like there's no fish in the spot. We're going for something else. We're gonna look around. Melanie's here. How was that?
How was what? The
Fishing.
It was good. Got some casting in.
Brian?
That's about it.
Catch anything?
It's fun. It's all about the experience.
For sure.
Yeah.
It's all about the adventure. At the end of the day, whatever happens, you catch a fish, you don't catch a fish. At least we have some McDonald's in our stomach. Otherwise, I'd have to eat the leaves on the floor. This is the walk back.
To the
Beautiful
car.
scenery. Yeah, what a fantastic day today.
We just walked past the porta potty. Yeah, put it in. Okay guys, so we got to this place, like the west side of Rice Lake, and apparently the guy said that the fishing isn't that great here because it's too cold now. It's too cold now, so instead we're gonna go hiking, maybe like look for a hiking trail and just do that instead of just standing here in the cold trying to fish for nothing. Right, Brian?
Yes, that's right.
So
While the sun is still up.
yeah, while the sun is still up. So while Fong is in the washroom, we are gonna try to look up some places that we can check out, some hiking trails that we could possibly go on now. What?
Yeah. All right, so now we're at the new spot.
Yeah. New journey.
It's a new journey now.
Oh, you bring chips? Should we bring chips?
We have chips.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, I didn't put it in my backpack.
Why?
I didn't-
Oh, we definitely need the chips. Go, Brian. This place is pretty nice. We're gonna go on a walk down the trail. Sun's gonna set soon. Beautiful timing. All right. So we're going down this place called Omi Mi Rail Trail. Whoa! This place is gorgeous. Take a look at this. We could have stood here and caught a bass. Hey Brian,
Yeah.
we should have stood here and caught a bass.
Bass? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You could go fishing here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think there's a lot of stuff underneath. It's gonna get. A lot of fun.
I'm joking. Come on.
I can't tell you joking.
Oh my god, this place is beautiful. Kawartha Trans Canada Trail. I got you good, eh?
Yeah.
I got you good, eh? Wow.
You have so many wires sticking out.
Huh?
Wire sticking out like a loop.
There you go. There we go. So, beautiful day, beautiful hike, beautiful Brian. As always, I saw a butterfly.
I know.
Wow. Mel, what are you doing?
Oh, there's a path that way too.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Is that two rangers? Come? Oh no. Parking enforcement? Wow. We have to thank Brian again. He got us this gimbal. Melanie?
Yeah.
Show the camera the gimbal. What is it?
It's the DJI Osmo 4.
What does it do?
It's supposed to help stabilize your video shooting and your photo shooting.
We're gonna test it out right now, actually, right? Brian? Thanks.
No problem. Just helping you guys make your video better.
Yeah, thanks,
In
man.
any way you can.
Appreciate that. Hey, how you doing? So now I have this camera on super view. You could see the environment more. Gives a nice wide angle, almost like fish lens.
Yeah.
It has a fisheye lens. This thing, pretty cool little machine. I'm gonna use it for 30 days and then return it.
Only for you?
You know, maybe. Who knows? Yo, the lighting is insane.
Yeah.
If you had
it's called golden now. It's perfect.
If you had a camera here, you would probably just like be going off right now. You should bring your camera
Yeah.
more often. Wow. Melanie, how's the walk?
Nice.
Why aren't you using the gimbal?
I'm a bit chilly.
You don't know how to use it?
No, I do. I know how to use it. I used it before.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Wish I had door.
How far are we gonna go all the way to the other side?
No, that's too far. That's 2.5 hours to walk.
2.5 hours?
Yeah. And then 2.5 hours back. That's 5 hours.
That's only 5 hours.
Only
We have the rest of the day.
we just go for bed and then walk back.
Yeah. Incoming, watch out. Well,
Right.
good night. Yeah, so this is Canada. Welcome to Canada. We have beautiful leaves, beautiful weather, good people everywhere. How far are we gonna go all the way to the other side?
No, that's too far. That's 2.5 hours to walk.
2.5 hours?
Yeah. And then 2.5 hours back. That's 5 hours.
That's only 5 hours.
Only we just go for bed and then walk back.
Yeah. Incoming, watch out. Well,
Right.
good night. Yeah, so this is Canada. Welcome to Canada. We have beautiful leaves, beautiful weather, good people everywhere. We have this electrical shit.
Except for that guy that said no to us.
Oh yeah.
Tell him about
So
that.
so earlier I'm like, we come up to this spot, and it's a boat rental place. I understand it's a boat rental place. And we go up to them, just asking for direction. I'm saying, hey guys, where's a fishing spot around here? And you have this beautiful couple. They're ready to answer me, and the old man on the side says, nope. I said, what? I said, you guys know where the fishing spot is around here? He said, no. I said, what do you mean no? Does she live here? And then luckily the little two couple, they pointed to the direction of the dock. Old man looked like he was angry at us. Maybe we were just the tourists or something. Maybe it's my Asian eyes. Is it the is it the eyes? Who knows? Maybe he's just grumpy. Oh my god. There's something in there.
Oh, no one back here.
What was it?
Maybe a frog?
A frog? Frog is not that fast. Probably a chipmunk. Maybe a fox?
Fox?
Maybe a squirrel.
Yeah.
Watch out for the bike. Yeah, so I think we just found a fox. Maybe it was a bear. What do you think?
Not a lie.
What was it? Maybe it was a base. So we just met up with one of the joggers and we were going the wrong way. And the right way is the other way. We've been walking for about 15 minutes. Gotta walk back. It's pretty cold. We're probably gonna freeze to death again. We might get lost again. Brian, are we getting lost again?
No. With me around you, you won't get lost. I'll make sure you guys don't get lost.
Alright, Brian, that sounds good. Melanie, how you doing?
Cold.
You cold?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Next time?
Like a light jacket.
Alright, Molly, what'd you just say?
Stop, go.
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Look.
A what?
A rooster.
A rooster?
Oh my god.
What the hell? There is a rooster in there.
Oh, scared.
Oh, whoops. Where's the...
Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Where-
Don't look.
Where are you going?
Babe, stop.
Melanie, where are you going?
Babe, stop. Babe, no one's coming. You have to do it now. Stop.
Okay, go.
Stop.
Where's Melanie going? Yo, Brian. Where's Melanie going?
She's going for a washroom break.
Washroom break. She's gonna go water the plants.
I'm done.
What are you done doing? She's watering the plants.
Did you mark your territory?
She's marking her territory. Hey Brian, do you want to hold the camera?
Sure.
Talk to it. Hey Brian, tell
Yeah.
us what's the next, where are we going next?
Okay, so we're going to this trail that's apparently more scenic. So we took the wrong path and we're walking back to the right path now. Hopefully we can make it on time before it gets dark.
Before we get a ticket?
No, I don't care what it's
Imagine we got towed or we just got lost there.
You think they would do that?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe it was those two bikers with the yellow jacket. They just rode by. They're like, later, dude. Good luck out here. Hope you have fun.
Oh, this is a nice place to camp out if we tow the car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have roosters on and we have chips, water. We're all set for the night. oh, the barbecue. Oh, never mind. The car's gone. So we bought a portable barbecue too.
Not anymore.
Oh my God! Why is it so dark? I can't even see anything.
Yeah, that night.
Walk faster, guys. It's getting cold. Let's
Okay, let's walk faster. Made it back. Yeah, so looks like we got nothing today. Heading back now. No ram stick, no fish. Didn't even get to see the proper trail. We had pho. I mean, we weren't even full. We had to go eat McDonald's. At least we didn't get towed, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll cook some dinner at Brian's house. Call it a day. It's been cold. It's been nice. No. See you guys later. Take care. Say bye.
Peace.
Melanie.
Bye. See ya.
Alright guys. Looks like we're making a stop at Sobeys. We're gonna grab some groceries to cook at Brian's. Hopefully it's open. There's pumpkins outside. Maybe we should grab one and we could carve it out. I swear, anyone could just walk into a Sobeys with a mask, glasses on. No one would blink an eye.
Oh, they don't really have anything here.
What do they have?
This is a small meat section.
Nah, let's just buy something here. I'm okay with sausages, man. To be honest. We could have filmed that. Yeah, we got a new pet. What do we have there, Brian?
A new pet.
What is it?
The lobster.
Why does he come in a pet crate?
Little cutie.
Hello.
Wake up.
Okay.
Time to play. Got some spaghetti here and cream, and we're gonna make some pasta tonight.
Lobster pasta. Shrimp scampi. It's getting dark out here. We're about to crash into a Nissan Cube.
That's an ugly ass car.
Melanie, you can't say that. People drive that car. Have you seen the new Honda like EV in Japan?
No.
That looks like that?
Oh yeah. It's a Honda, the small version.
Dude, it's sold out, yeah.
sold out?
Yeah, bro. It's sold out everywhere.
Even here?
No. It's not even sold here. But if it came here, it'd be fucking sold out instantly.
What's so popular about that one?
It's just a cube. Just like the cube design.
But that one's nice. This one.
So dark.
Recording will now start.
Mel. Melanie.
Maybe you should check up on her, see if she's okay.
Mel, are you dead?
Maybe tap on her.
Melanie. Mel. Oh, you're awake.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You passed out?
We were calling you for 5 minutes straight.
Tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Okay, let's go. Last part of the video. Just got home. Killing the lobster now. Mom's piercing the lobster. Mom, what are you doing? 잠깐만. So you gotta do that to get rid of all the inside
Pea go out.
pea?
See?
I didn't know that.
Dạ, không lấy nó ra đó nó đắng lắm.
Oh yeah.
Ừ.
Oh.
Thấy rất là sợ.
Yeah, I got it. Today we're gonna make lobster shrimp scampi. It's basically a lobster bacon carbonara. I'm gonna make it with a spinach salad and some sardines. We have Brian here. He's gonna be my kitchen assistant for now. And when he brings me to the mechanic shop, I become the assistant. This is the master. Okay. All right.
Okay, I'm filming.
Okay, so we're first gonna salt the water and boil the pasta inside al dente, so that when you mix it in the carbonara, it doesn't get too soft. So al dente means like slightly cooked, slightly uncooked. Then you pull the pasta out and you cook it in the bacon grease. So that's gonna boil for now. We're gonna cook down some bacon. I'm gonna pull the bacon out and we're going to let it reduce on the pan. Lobster, we're gonna chop it up soon. Once this bacon reduces down, just watch. And then you could do it for me next time. You do it for me next time.
Learn from the chef. Yeah, master chef.
I put the bacon on first,
Yeah.
and then I heat it up because that makes all the fat come out. So you're gonna see this turn really, really small. All the fat comes out.
So you want the fat to come out?
I want the fat to come out. This is usually when I flip it, because both sides have a lot of fat. Just low heat gets all the fat come out. High heat makes the fat stay in. Turn this down a bit. Put this here. So the lobster, I'm gonna end it.
This is the scary part.
It's the scary part. Viewer beware. The lobster is gonna die.
Beheaded. You're beheading the lobster. Oh shit. Oh. Maybe they don't do it. What? Oh shit.
Come here, Brian.
Oh my god. They don't have blood.
Yeah.
Pasta's done?
Yeah. That's basically it. Now you just toss in the spaghetti into the lobster
Yeah.
and mix in some egg yolks and some parmesan, grated cheese. That's about it.
Smells not even look good, it smells good. Does it taste good?
Does it taste good? You know.
I can sell all the spices, put it on there.
It's called liquid gold.
That sauce looks really good. So much flavor.
That's where you're gonna dump your pasta into. I'm gonna stir this up. Now where's the cream?
It's in the cooler. It's so cold.
It is?
It froze my oranges.
Really?
And the strawberries in the car. It's cold.
Oh my god.
Oh no, hey cooler. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. Or maybe it's the ice pack too.
You get the whole wheat pasta?
Yeah.
Là chín hả?
Yeah.
Nhanh như vậy chín chưa?
Pop this in the oven actually for a bit. Okay, pass me the shrimp, please.
Shrimp still frozen.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wash it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
How much should I put in for?
Half.
Wait.
Should I peel the skin out?
Nope.
What are you doing now?
So now we're gonna fry up the shrimps. Fried shrimps on the side, and I'm gonna make a salad too. So just you know, it's a little bit too greasy and
Why are you frying the shrimp?
fried because I want to just have it all here.
Okay.
So you need fried shrimps,
Okay.
lobster,
So good.
salt,
Oh
lemon.
shit, I broke it even more.
So-
Oh, it's really heavy, Brian. Careful.
It's out of groove.
Oh.
Yeah. Mechanic.
Do you want to
should
make a salad?
camera.
I'll hold the camera.
I can record.
Brian will record.
Yeah, it's
Melanie, help me
fine.
make the salad. There you go. Thanks, Brian. Melanie knows how to make the salad. I'm gonna make Alright, where's the thing? Where's the thing to cover this? It's gonna pop. Like crazy.
Oh shit, it is popping. Oh my gosh.
So the reason it's popping is because oil doesn't interact well with water. So you gotta dry off the shrimps because these shrimps are wet.
Oh, okay.
And even then, the shrimp it's going to pop a lot. Shrimps are always wet. I'm just gonna soak up as much water as I can. Alright.
Oh, you careful, okay? Oh shit. Careful.
Shrimps cook really fast. They don't really have to cook that well.
should have put in the salad.
Just use carrots, shallots, something refreshing, please. Some beautiful shrimps.
Yeah, that's great. Really.
They cook really fast. Oil's piping hot.
Natalie's chopping up some carrots.
Set a timer for 3 minutes.
Careful, huh?
This thing's nice. Huh?
Cleaner really helps a lot.
This thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Now I understood why my mom had used that.
But if I didn't have that, I would not cook this shit.
Yeah, it would pop.
I'll die, bro.
Yeah, for sure. Cilantro? Perfecto.
Last ones. So no fish ate our shrimps today, so I guess we gotta eat it all. How we doing over here? That's it. Simple.
Is this the first time you're making this type of pasta?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you excited to taste how it tastes?
I don't know how it's gonna taste, to be honest.
It looks good. Looks good.
That's done.
So this is the pasta, whatever is left. The lobster pasta.
Brian eating his lobster. How's it, Brian?
So good.
The food looked too good and we didn't have time to take a video before we started eating. We just went right in.
The salad was so good, Mel. It was delicious. Why are you giving me that look?